In this podcast episode, Dr. Rhonda Patrick, a renowned expert in biomedical science, shares her insights on the profound impact of exercise on health and longevity. With a focus on the benefits of vigorous exercise, the dangers of microplastics, and the intricate relationship between lifestyle choices and health outcomes, Dr. Patrick provides a comprehensive overview of how we can optimize our well-being. Dr. Patrick emphasizes that while nutrition is undeniably important, exercise stands out as a more significant factor in promoting longevity. She cites numerous studies indicating that cardiorespiratory fitness, often measured by VO2 max, is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. This fitness metric reflects the body's ability to utilize oxygen during intense physical activity, and higher levels of cardiorespiratory fitness correlate with lower risks of chronic diseases and improved overall health. Moreover, Dr. Patrick points out that engaging in vigorous exercise can yield benefits comparable to those of certain medications. For instance, studies have shown that regular high-intensity workouts can lower blood pressure to levels similar to those achieved by antihypertensive drugs. This revelation underscores the potential of exercise as a powerful tool for disease prevention and health optimization, making it a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Vigorous exercise, characterized by activities that elevate the heart rate significantly, has been shown to have numerous benefits beyond physical fitness. Dr. Patrick explains that such exercise not only enhances cardiovascular health, but also has profound effects on brain health. Engaging in high-intensity workouts stimulates the production of lactate, which acts as a signaling molecule that promotes the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. This growth factor is crucial for neurogenesis, synaptic plasticity, and overall cognitive function. Additionally, Dr. Patrick highlights the mental health benefits associated with vigorous exercise. Regular high-intensity workouts can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression, providing a natural and effective alternative to pharmaceutical interventions. The release of endorphins and other neurochemicals during intense physical activity contributes to improved mood and emotional well-being, making exercise a vital component of mental health care. In her discussion, Dr. Patrick delves into the various types of fitness, including endurance training, strength training, and high-intensity interval training, HIIT. She notes that while endurance training is beneficial for cardiovascular health, it may not be sufficient for everyone. Some individuals, particularly those who are less physically active, may struggle to improve their VO2 max through moderate intensity exercise alone. This phenomenon, known as being a non-responder, highlights the need for incorporating vigorous exercise into one's routine to achieve optimal fitness gains. Dr. Patrick also emphasizes the importance of strength training and resistance exercises. Building muscle mass is crucial for maintaining metabolic health, especially as we age. She shares her personal journey of integrating strength training into her fitness regimen, recognizing its importance for long-term health and vitality. By combining different types of exercise, individuals can create a well-rounded fitness program that addresses various aspects of health. One of the key points Dr. Patrick makes is the significance of lactate production during vigorous exercise. Contrary to the traditional view of lactate as a waste product, recent research has revealed its role as a signaling molecule that enhances metabolic adaptations. When engaging in high-intensity workouts, the body produces lactate as a byproduct of anaerobic metabolism. This lactate is then utilized by other tissues, including the brain, as an efficient energy source. Furthermore, lactate stimulates the expression of genes associated with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant responses. This mechanism is particularly beneficial for brain health, as it promotes the release of BDNF, which supports cognitive function and neuroplasticity. Dr. Patrick's insights into lactate underscore the importance of vigorous exercise not only for physical fitness, but also for cognitive health and resilience against neurodegenerative diseases. Shifting gears, Dr. Patrick addresses the emerging concern of microplastics and their potential impact on human health. Microplastics, tiny plastic particles resulting from the degradation of larger plastic items, are pervasive in our environment. They can be found in our water, food, and even the air we breathe. Dr. Patrick highlights a recent study that found microplastics accumulating in human brains at alarming rates, raising questions about their long-term effects on neurological health. The implications of microplastic exposure are particularly concerning, given their association with inflammation and other health issues. Dr. Patrick explains that microplastics can trigger inflammatory responses in the body, potentially contributing to the development of chronic diseases. As research in this area is still in its infancy, the full extent of the health risks posed by microplastics remains to be seen, but the evidence thus far suggests a need for increased awareness and action. Dr. Patrick elaborates on the various sources of microplastics, emphasizing that they are not just found in the ocean or in plastic waste. Everyday items, such as clothing made from synthetic fibers, contribute significantly to microplastic pollution. When washed, these garments release tiny plastic particles into the water supply, which can ultimately end up in our food chain. Additionally, microplastics are present in many processed foods, particularly those packaged in plastic containers. The issue of microplastics extends beyond individual choices. It is a systemic problem that requires collective action. Dr. Patrick advocates for greater regulation of plastic production and waste management, as well as increased public awareness about the sources and risks associated with microplastics. By understanding the origins of microplastics, individuals can make more informed choices about their consumption habits. In her discussion about microplastics, Dr. Patrick emphasizes the importance of clean air and its role in overall health. Air pollution is a significant contributor to the accumulation of microplastics in our bodies as we inhale these particles from the environment. Urban areas, in particular, are at higher risk due to traffic emissions and industrial activities. Dr. Patrick suggests that investing in high-quality air filters for our homes can help mitigate exposure to airborne microplastics and other pollutants. Moreover, spending time in green spaces can also promote better air quality and reduce exposure to harmful particles. Dr. Patrick encourages individuals to prioritize outdoor activities in natural environments, as this can have both physical and mental health benefits. By fostering a connection with nature, we can enhance our well-being while also reducing our exposure to environmental toxins. Dr. Patrick provides practical advice for individuals looking to reduce their exposure to microplastics and plastic-associated chemicals. One of the most effective strategies is to invest in a reverse osmosis water filter, which can significantly reduce the presence of microplastics in drinking water. Additionally, using glass containers for food storage and avoiding plastic packaging whenever possible can help minimize exposure. When it comes to personal care products, Dr. Patrick recommends choosing items that are free from harmful chemicals, such as phthalates and parabens. Reading labels and opting for products with transparent ingredient lists can empower consumers to make healthier choices. Furthermore, incorporating more fiber-rich foods into the diet can help mitigate the absorption of microplastics, as fiber promotes gut health and regularity. As research on microplastics continues to evolve, Dr. Patrick expresses optimism about the potential for new discoveries and solutions. While the current understanding of microplastics and their health effects is still developing, ongoing studies will shed light on the long-term consequences of exposure. Dr. Patrick encourages listeners to stay informed and engaged with the latest research, as this knowledge can empower individuals to make healthier choices.